matrix assisted laser desorption ionization. This is method of ionization for sample ionization in mass spectrometry. In mass spectrometry, we ionize large size molecule mostly in this method which are thermally unstable. Mean by heating, when we try to convert our sample molecule in vapor form, instead of converting into vapor form, sample is decomposed or denatured. For such type of sample like protein and large size molecule, we use matrix assisted laser desorption ionization. In this method, sample is mixed with some suitable matrix. In this mixture of sample and matrix, it is applied on sample plate. These red dots show sample molecule and this is some suitable matrix. It is mixed with matrix. Then high energy lasers are bombarded. Now lasers are high energy radiations. When these high energy lasers, they fall on this mixture of sample and matrix, they transfer energy to the sample. By absorbing energy, first desorption of sample occur. Now desorption is reverse of adsorption. Means when a material absorb, it's reverse, it desorb from the here, it is reverse of absorption. So desorption of sample as well as solvent occurs. So first step is desorption. By using energy of these lasers, sample and matrix, it desorb here. Okay, after desorption, sample have still energy because lasers transfer sufficient energy to the sample. Now by employing remaining energy, the sample molecule get rid from these matrix molecule. This is called solvent evaporation, yeah, desolvation. We also call it desolvation. Mean sample get rid from solvent or matrix. So matrix is removed by employing excess of energy. Now still sample molecule have the energy, and by using this energy, ionization of our sample molecule occur. Now here no fragmentation of sample occur. Fragmentation of sample occur when sample is not assisted with matrix, mean only sample is applied. When only sample is applied here, we just apply sample and bombard laser on the sample. Lasers are bombarded on the sample. Now in this case, first step is again desorption. Mean sample desorb sample molecule, but after desorption, sample have sufficient energy which was transferred by lasers. Lasers transfer sufficient energy to the sample. So if sample is not assisted by this matrix, then after first step desolvation, second step is ionization. Sample got ionized, sample ionization occur, and after ionization still sample have energy. As a result, fragmentation occur. Fragmentation of our molecule occur. Sample got fragmented. So fragmentation of our sample occur if sample is not assisted with matrix. Okay? So if sample is not assisted with matrix, then lasers are bombarded. First sample perform desorption, after desorption ionization, and after ionization fragmentation occur. But we are not interested in fragmentation, we just need ionization of our sample. So matrix assisted laser desorption was performed. This is only laser desorption ionization, and this is matrix assisted laser desorption ionization. So MALDI method is used in order to get just ionization and avoid fragmentation of large size molecule like proteins and other large size biological samples.